Hi there. So here we actually have underneath the surface we have a lot of black sand, rocky sand, which is full of rocks. You can see it here. So it's literally not possible to install the trees here in this rocks. This is why we brought the sweet soil and removed the black sand, the rocks. That complete trip would be taken from here. Alright, so this is finally the green waste is removed. One of the complete vehicle trip is removed from the white sand, and the sweet sand will be added now. That is removed. So right now the sweet sand is now being added. The sweet sand and the fertilizer has been added to these areas, and they have been mixed as well. The Dubai municipality approved fertilizer, and now we are adding the sweet sand to this side as well, so that we can then at the end add the nutrition and the fertilizer. Then we will start plantation. All right, finally plants are here. We have just done the initial placement of the plants, and they will be modified again. Alright, they're now being installed with the addition of sweet sand and fertilizer. The fertilizer is being distributed now like this. The plants are now being watered